Folks, we need to talk about the housing market. If you watch my daily financial news from January 16th or January 17th, you know that I am calling the housing market bottom in transactions. One of the things that makes me feel confident about this is I talk with the best of the best agents around the country. Again, I am not talking about price just yet, but I am talking about transactions. Let's have this conversation with Omar. How you doing, buddy?
Good. What's up, Michael? What's up, everybody?
Do me a favor. Let's remind people what part of the California market you are in. We'll talk about what is going on in your market because I suspect it is very slow, but there might be signs of some life, and we'll dig into that in a minute. So, Omar, what market are you in and what's going on?
Guys, I'm in the high desert market, which is Apple Valley, Victorville, Hesperia, Phelan, Oak Hills, Wrightwood, just up on that pass on the way to Vegas. If you're familiar with the 15 freeway, we run a team and we produce and we invest. So this little area, you could do a lot of work. You could do a lot of damage in as long as you know the market. And where we're at now in this market is, I'm looking at it right now. We're about a week out, but we're at 1,200, a little less than 1,200 houses for sale. And it's been declining steadily over the last, like substantial, over the last 4 weeks.
Yeah.
It's been on a decline along with, check this out, along with pendings.
Wow. Awesome. So pendings
So
are
it's a
down
little
as well.
interesting. Yeah, it's weird.
Yeah.
Weird.
And again, there's a couple of things I want to remind people about. It wasn't like 4 months ago. I think it was October. It might have been November. We were talking about your market having 1,800 listings.
Yeah, no, we were at that number. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
And again, what I put out there and I thought was occurring in the market is you were experiencing what I often call wish pricing. Basically, sellers saying, hey, if you get my number, I'll sell. Otherwise, I'm staying put. And now what we're seeing
Yep.
on the other side of that is cancellations, expireds, withdrawns because people realize they are not going to get their price. Hence, you're now at 1,200, maybe even heading to 1,100 listings. Again, what I think this is all part of the bottoming process because what's going to
Mhm.
happen in a market like yours, which again always reacts last. Like if I
It
talk to
does.
Adrian from Orange County and I talk to him tomorrow, it'll be a very different story, is my suspicion. But what is going on in your market is kind of a new baseline. People are trying to figure it out. I think in your market, you're like every market across the country. You have three markets. You have the luxury market, which for you is probably 750 and above, maybe 800
Yeah.
and above. That
Yeah.
market is dead, 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 dead. If you were just going to
It,
look at your 1,200 listings for luxury, can you do that? Like, do you have the search
yeah.
criteria? Can you
Yeah.
go in
Right
and just
now.
look at how many active listings above 800K single family homes only, please?
Yeah. Above 800K.
Yeah,
Let's
single
see.
families only.
Let's go into Apple Valley. And then we'll just do three cities.
Yeah,
Just to, I mean, because there are a lot of
a lot of
houses,
little towns and stuff. So
a lot
what
of
are the
little
three
towns.
cities? If somebody wanted to repeat this, Apple Valley.
Apple Valley, Victorville, Hesperia, and
Okay,
then I
cool.
want I want to add Oak Hills because that brings up the amount.
Okay, cool. So four. If anybody wanted to repeat
Boom,
this, they could do
right
this.
there. Price minimum 800,000.
Yeah.
Apply only single family.
Yep.
Only single family houses. There are 23.
Yeah, so I would expect, I don't know anything about that market, but 23 is probably days on market or they're just lagging, right? There's no activity, would be my guess.
Oh yeah, price reduction 50K, 100K, 50K, 100K, 150K. Price cut of 230.
Oh,
Um, yeah, 230K on the 16th of November. And these are 995, 8. I mean, these are 180 days on the market
yeah,
pretty consistently. This is also waterfront. Not well, lakefront, I should say, not
lakefront.
waterfront, but lakefront in
Yeah,
Spring Valley Lake. And yeah, I mean, nine,
dead.
8. It's dead. But this is where you can go and offer $200,000 under value, and you'll
Yes.
probably get it. So this is where you could make some money.
This is exactly what I want people to realize, right? Where there is great pain, there is great opportunity. One of these buyers, oh, I'm sorry, one of these sellers bought the property decades ago.
Yep.
Has a gargantuan equity and they want out. One of those people, you never know, might take 600 just to be done. Right? There are, like, I want people to hear me, in the luxury market across the country. If you happen to be in that market, this is a time to get greedy, write stupid offers and see what happens.
Dumb. I'm telling you, Michael, right now, I did a $1 million offer. I offered 700 for units.
Yeah.
And guess what? They're considering it.
Yeah, exactly.
They're considering it. It's crazy.
So do me a favor, since you have that criteria up, do the same exact search, 400 grand to 800 grand. So let's figure out the move up market. That's what I call the move up market. Can you do that?
400 to 800. Yeah.
Right.
Only, oh, this is sick. Houses, single family residences in three cities, Apple Valley, Victorville, Hesperia, 500 listings. Actually, 550.
So again, so this is exactly what I expected. 23 luxury properties, lots of price drops, 6-figure price drops, days on markets exploding, deals. Move up market, that's 20x. Again, I would expect in that market, lots of days on market, cancellations, expireds, not a lot of activity, because that market is hurt by higher interest rates. So now do 400 and below. Please.
Yeah. Let's go on. There's nothing under 100K, so
100 to 400 then.
275 listings from 100 to 400K in those three cities only.
Yeah, this is exactly what I thought would happen, right? There's a big hump in the market. The luxury, stupid, nobody's buying. If you want a deal, shop there. The move up market is fat, over 500. The entry level, not so much. You probably have the lowest days on market, the most activity, very few price drops in that segment. What are you seeing sub 400?
Yeah, I'm looking at 38 days, 30 days on the market, 25 days on the market.
Can you see pending? Can you change your search from active to pending? How many pendings below 400?
Yeah. $455.
Nailed it. 200 some active listings, 400 pending. This is why I am saying the housing market bottomed, because we are getting transaction volume up for first time in VA buyers. The move up market is broken until we get to 5 or 4.5% interest. Luxury is going to be stupid all year. If you want a deal, go shopping there. This is exactly what I thought would happen. Omar, if somebody wanted to join your team or buy and shop in your area, how would they reach out?
Guys, reach out to me on IG at Invest with Omar, or go to omaralfaro.com.
Awesome. Thanks. This was so fun. Sometimes it's fun to be right. Thanks, buddy. Take care.
You're welcome.